Whatever happened to my part? It was exciting at the start. Now we are halfway through Act 2, and I have nothing yet to do. I've been off stage for far too long. It's ages since I had a song. This is one unhappy diva. The producers have deceived her. There is nothing that I can sing from my heart. Whatever happened to my part? I am sick of my career, always waiting in the rear. Up to here! With frustrations and with fears. I've no Grammy, no rewards. I've no Tony Awards. I'm constantly replaced by Britney Spears. Britney Spears. So nice. Whatever happened to my show? I was a hit. No, I don't know. I'm with a bunch of British knights, prancing around in holy tights. I might as well go to a pub. They've been out searching for a shrub. Out of shopping for a bush. Well, they can kiss my tush. It seems to me they really lost the plot. Whatever happened to my alcohol agent? Damn it! Whatever happened to my... Not yours, and exactly not yours, but